Sindhudurga Fort. Children, now I will show you something more interesting today. Today we will explore about Sindhudurga Fort.
Ma'am, I have been there. It is very beautiful. It is in Maharashtra.
Yes, it is a sea fort. Sindhudurga Fort is located on the southernmost edge of the Maharashtra coast. It is built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. People in the area are familiar with languages like Marathi, Hindi, and English. Best time to visit the fort is during winter season. Have a look at this. Here you can get all the details about the spot. The best place where you can halt is MTDC Holiday Resort. The resort at Tarkarli has 10 cottages with 20 sea-facing double bedrooms and one houseboat. Places to visit are temples of Maruti, Bhavani, and Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. You can go there by air, rail, as well as road. If you want to go by air, the nearest airport is Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport, which is in Mumbai. If you want to go by rail, the nearest railhead is Sindhudurga on the Konkan Railway. Kankavli and Kudal are the other important railway stations nearby. If you prefer going by road, you have to travel 540 km from Mumbai to Tarkarli. Places nearby Sindhudurga Fort are Sawantwadi, Malvan City, Tarkarli Beach, Reddy Ganesh Temple, Vijayadurg, Kunkeshwar Temple, Amboli. Tadoba National Park. Now have a look at the next leaflet. Here is the description of Tadoba National Park. Tadoba Andhari is Tiger Reserve and it is called the Wildlife Heaven of Vidarbha. It is located on the outskirts of Maharashtra's oldest and largest national park. Languages spoken in these areas are Marathi, Hindi, English, and tribal. The best season to visit is from 15th October to 15th June. Hot summers are the ideal time to view mammals near water sources. The places to stay are MTDC Jungle Resort, Mohrali. It offers self-contained rooms ideal for families. The rooms are comfortable and offer a fine lake view. How to get there? You can reach there by air, rail, as well as by road. If you want to go by air, the nearest airport is Nagpur, 205 km. If you want to go by rail, the nearest railhead is Chandrapur, 45 km. If you prefer roadway, it is 45 km from Chandrapur to Tadoba. State transport buses ply from Chandrapur to Tadoba. Attractions. Here you can see animals like tiger, panther, bison, sloth bear, hyena, jackal, wild dog, sambar, leopard, and barking deer. The nearby site to visit is Bhadravati, Markanda Bhamragar, and Anandavan. Children, I hope you must have got all the details by seeing the leaflet. Now answer some question about traveling. Tell me, do you like to travel?
Yes, ma'am.
How do you like to travel?
Ma'am, I like to travel by air. Ma'am, I like to travel by rail and roadways.
Have you ever traveled by air?
Yes, ma'am. Last year I went to Shimla by air with my family.
What do you like to carry with you when you travel?
Ma'am, I like to carry my camera when I travel.
What souvenirs do you like to bring back from your travels?
Ma'am, my souvenirs can be the things which the place is famous for.
Which places do these leaflets describe?
They describe Sindhudurga Fort and Tadoba National Park.
What are the main points given in each leaflet?
It contains all the details such as location, history, languages, best time to visit, where to stay, what to see, how to get there and nearby sites to visit.
How can one reach Tadoba?
You can reach Tadoba by air and the nearest airport is Nagpur. By rail as well as by road.
Which is the best season to visit Tadoba? Why?
The best season to visit Tadoba can be from 15th October to 15th June. Hot summers are the ideal time to view mammals near water sources.
List tourism related words. Example tourist, booking, etc.
Tickets, sightseeing, hotels, discounts, locations, best season to visit, resorts, lake view, nearest airport, railheads, transport, sites nearby, attractions.
Very good.